What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? Appreciate you for being here, dude, as always. Alright, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. What's up, PZ? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Tendy Town today. Major day today for everything, for stocks and crypto. And Monir. Everyone in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Thank you guys a lot. Yeah, great day today. So, Tendy Town. Great day in the stock market. Great day in crypto. Everything mooning today. Absolutely mooning. Printing today. I look good today. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's getting colder, and I did have, so in the summertime, I didn't really wear, like, long shirts and ties and stuff. But in the beginning of the show, I did. But, yeah, had a little more time today to get dressed up, so appreciate that. Thank you. I should go back to, wearing more shirt and ties and stuff, but I just kind of got lazy for a while there for a couple of months, and it was summertime, so, yeah, I'm going to try to make an effort to look more professional now, again. Especially because, I'm opening up my investment firm soon. But yeah, all right. So, Tendy Town. Got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today, we have two pieces of news. Nothing too serious. One article about the variant update, C19 variant update on the Omicron, and one about DeFi, potential DeFi regulations having to do with crypto. And for the analysis today, we'll be going over AMC, CFVI, which we've been talking about a lot lately, and then BBIG. So, and then we'll get to our Yolos. So, yeah, today's show should be pretty chill. Nothing too serious at all. Only 3 for the analysis. And, they're like things that we've been talking about a lot lately. So, nothing really too new today. So, it should be pretty chill, pretty uneventful, to be honest. But, hey, appreciate you guys for being here. And so today shouldn't take too long. I always say that. I always say like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we end up going like 2.5 hours. So, we'll see how long this takes, but, always welcome to stay longer if you guys want to chat. So, yeah, guys, let's get started. And as always, before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And boom, let's do it, guys. Okay. So the Dow Jones finishes up 1.4%. The Nasdaq finishes up 3.03%. And the S&P 500 finishes up 2.07%. Again, printing. It just kept going up all day. All day. Nasdaq, major runner. 3%, that's a lot. S&P 2%, that's a lot too. But yeah, all day, just kept going up. Very, very nice. So let's see what's going on here. So we got Novavax up 29%. Holy crap. Big day for Novavax. Not sure if anything happened there or just, vaccine plays are going up, but big day for Novavax. Maybe we should talk about DWAC. Because it was not up this much before. I guess not, but at the time, like an hour ago, DWAC was only up like 10%, like 9% or something like that, so I wasn't going to talk about it, but I see here it's up 16.5%. So maybe we'll talk about it. But yeah, major day for DWAC. You know, it's been trending past couple of days. Jumia, 21%, ATER, 19%. A lot of memes here. GREE, 16%, Skills, 13%, Microvision, 11%, Oxygen, 10.5%. CRSP, CRISPR, 10%. So it looks like a lot of vaccine stocks. A lot of memes here. Yeah, Vaxart, 10%. And crypto stocks are up too because crypto's up a lot today. Marathon up 9.3%. Coinbase 8.8%. PHUN, you know, that trades in sympathy with DWAC, that's up 8%. Damn, Nvidia. Wow, Nvidia had a huge day. 8% on Nvidia. Holy crap. AMC, well, DD up 8%. I don't know why. It's going to get delisted and it just keeps going up. Interesting. AMC, which we will discuss first today, up 7.8%. Big day for AMC. We got Fubo, Plug, Virgin Galactic, all up about 7%. Memes there. XCLA, 6.5%. Another meme. Moderna, vaccine play, 6.4%. I wanted to grab Moderna at 250. May not come back down there, but I'm hoping to jump back in here at 250. GME, Clover, up over 6%. Looks like EV's doing really well today. Fisker, Lordstown Motors. Those are up 6%. More memes here. SoFi, MMAT, up over 5%. Got Riot. Riot is a crypto stock there, 5.5%. MicroStrategy, 5.3%. Other crypto stock there. Big day for Snapchat, 5%. Yeah, Tesla up 4.24%. Very nice. Big day for Tesla. AMD is up 4.16%. Yeah, tech going up a lot today. Nikola, another EV stock there. Not really. Like fake EV stock. Meme stock, 4.15%. I don't know why people still buy Nikola. Cannabis is up. Sundial is up. Canopy Growth is up. I don't think I saw Tilray yet, but yeah. Cannabis is up. Everything is up pretty much today. Yeah, Workhorse, another meme EV there, 4%. Big day for Ford, 3.85%. Robinhood, 3.8%. Wish, big day, well, okay day for Wish. Still getting wrecked overall, but Wish is up 3.6%. Apple, wow, big day for Apple, 3.54%. I think they have a new price upgrade at 200. I forgot who set that, but yeah, Apple slowly climbing up there to 200. Palantir recovering 3.5%. We got CFVI 3.3. Wow, interesting. So CFVI is up 3.31%. Literally an hour ago, when I was getting prepared for the show, it was up like 10%. So CFVI really pulled back here in the aftermarket, or not the aftermarket, towards the end of the day, and DWAC went up a lot. So pretty interesting. Well, here's Tilray, 3.17%. Google, 3%. Got BlackBerry, costs. Some more meme stocks. GM, 2.82%. Not as good as Ford, but good day there. Amazon, 2.8%. And kind of related. So Amazon was down today, like most of the day. Not just everything Amazon. The shopping, web services, like a lot of companies were affected by AWS. Like Coinbase was down because that runs on AWS. Disney Plus, Prime Video, any Alexa products, Ring, all that stuff was down today. It was crazy. Because I was doing Christmas shopping today on Amazon, and I was like, what the hell's going on? The order's not going through, and turns out Amazon was down for like half the day. So major disruption there, because AWS went down. But still up 2.8% today. Big day for Amazon. I would think it would not be up so much, especially after what happened today. But hey, big day for Amazon. Another tech stock there. Microsoft 2.68%. Yeah, even the Chinese EVs going up. XPeng is up. Roblox up. Neo up. Netflix 2.1%. Pretty much everything is up. Got DraftKings 2%. Alibaba 1.57%. Anything else? Lee, Nike. But yeah, literally everything is up except for a few select stocks. So I don't know how you could have lost money today. So yeah, hope you guys printed fat tendies today. Everyone eating today. And I give that the where's my meme? Here it is. Yeah. All right, on to the red side. So, I forgot to mention, yeah, the VIX is down 19.5% today, which is really, really good. So the VIX goes down 5.3 points, down to 22. So anything considered over 20 is still, not that great, but we're getting under 20 again, so that's a really good sign. Okay. So yeah, VIX down 19.46%, biggest loser today. Good thing there. Prague is down, interesting. Prague is down 3.2%. And Peloton 1.67%. Uber and Lyft are down. Looks like travel stocks are down, like airlines. JetBlue, Southwest, Delta, American. Yeah, Marriott, Carnival Cruise, Hilton. So yeah, airlines, cruises, hotels, travel stocks, those are down. Not by much though, not by much at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And Uber, so yeah, only things that are really down today, travel and Uber and Lyft, which I guess is considered travel too. But yeah, so literally everything in the green here today, everything mooning. So congratulations to everyone. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. All right, let's get on to crypto now. One second, let me pull it up. Okay. So crypto's up 3% today. Very, very nice. Give that the rocket. Wasn't not working. There we go. So it was up earlier. It was up more earlier. It was up like 7% earlier. So a little bit of a pullback here, but hey, not complaining. Very nice day for crypto. Let's see what's going on. We got Elon Floki Inu. That's up 1,150% today. I think this has been running for a couple days now. But yeah, big day for Elon Floki Inu. Christmas Floki X up. This one's been running too. This is probably going to run, not financial advice, guys, but this might run all the way to Christmas and then dump. But yeah, Christmas Floki X, 584% today. Hero Fi, I don't know what that is, but Hero Fi, 546%. Got MetaPets, 56%, and Taboo Token, 5.67%. So those have been trending for a while there. greed. I don't know what greed is, but that's up 13%. Interesting. And on to the real crypto now, the legit coins. I see a lot of green here. So Bitcoin is up 3.62%. That is pushing 51K again. I think it almost hit 52K earlier today, last time I checked. So yeah, kind of a pullback here, but hey, we're getting back up there. Nice recovery. Ether up 2%. 2.13%. That's over 4,300 again. Solana up 2.91%. Pushing 200 again. Cardano 3%. XRP 2.72%. Polkadot 11.5%. That's a big runner there. Terra about 10%. Dogecoin 2.83%. So this one's pushing 19. It's pulling back here, but let's go Doge. Avalanche is down, not by much, but that's the first thing I see red here. Shiba up 3.75%. Crypto.com 10.5%, very nice. Litecoin 4.5%. Chainlink 10.3%. Algorand down 1.15%. So maybe the metaverse coins are down a little bit here, but not by much. It looks pretty good. Ether Classic 3.32%. Tezos. Wow, Tezos up 36%. Interesting. Why is it up so much? And BitTorrent. BitTorrent's up 27.5%. Yeah, Gala is down 7.26%. That's the worst thing we've seen so far. So it looks like really the only things going down are the metaverse coins here. Got Loopring 6.6%. Let's sort this out here. So it looks like 85, 90% of the coins in the green here today. Mostly everything in the green. And a lot of price action too. We got a few coins over 10%. Tezos, BitTorrent, Harmony, OMG, Helium, Polkadot, Polygon, CRV, and Crypto.com. So it looks like this is mostly led by smaller cap coins today. Not so much, the blue chip stuff, the blue chip cryptos. But yeah, everything is up today. Great day to be a bull. Crypto bull and stock market bull. Everything up today. Let's check on the red side. Yeah, worst thing by far is Gala, down 7.5%. Next worst thing is Mina. That's AMP. AMP 3.2%, then Mina 2%. Yeah, so really, really good day for crypto. So yeah, congratulations to everyone who made money today in crypto. I'm assuming you guys made money unless you were like all in on Gala or something. So yeah, nice bounce back here, much needed, and hopefully it keeps on going up. Need Bitcoin to recover here. Okay, so yeah, great day for the stock market, great day in the crypto market. Congratulations to everyone. All right, so next order of business, let's get to the news. One second. It's loading here. Oh man, I wanted to show you guys like a couple minutes ago before I started the show. It was a picture of Peter Tuchman. You know, this guy, the meme guy. Which, damn, that sucks. I wanted to be like, look, guys, because whenever he's on the news, the stock market goes up. It never fails. It's pretty amazing. But there's a meme about that. So I guess we can take a look later. But, yeah, all right, let's get on to the news. So, yeah, once again, we got an article about the Omicron update there. We've been talking about this every single day. Another update. And then we have and then we got an article about possible DeFi regulation. So let's read. Omicron C19 variant has spread to more than 50 countries and 19 U.S. states, CDC director says. Key points. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky said researchers are still working to understand the severity of Omicron, but the public health measures used for past variants should provide some protection. White House Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci said Omicron is now the dominant variant circulating in South Africa. Wasn't it always? Well, it's relatively new, but, C19 in Africa is not really a thing. Pretty rare. Not pretty rare, but a lot less common than other places. The almost vertical inflection of this clearly argues towards a high degree of transmissibility, Fauci said. So, general news here, but yeah, now in 19 states. So, just last week it was like 1, then 2, then 8, and then like 15, now it's 19 states. So, spreading, it's going to go everywhere. So that's just the, update on the C19, on this new variant. Seems like all the FUD is, at first everyone was going crazy. Oh my God, what are we going to do? New variant, lockdowns. Now it seems like nobody, not that nobody cares, but seems like the FUD is cooling off and probably not going to go into lockdown, and probably a big reason why the stock market is up today. Just FUD fading away. Probably just going to have to live with this. And the next one. And the next one. All right, next article. Low Roller, what is that article about? Okay. So this one is about DeFi regulation. Let's read. Decentralization illusion. Central bank group urges regulation of DeFi crypto platforms. Key points. The Bank for International Settlements, an umbrella group for central banks, says it's concerned there's a decentralization illusion in DeFi. DeFi is a rapidly growing part of the crypto market that promises traditional financial products without involvement from middlemen such as banks. Regulators are increasingly concerned about platforms offering DeFi services that may not be as decentralized as advertised. So a little suspicious because, of course, central banks would say we need to regulate crypto more. Now, I do believe it's hard because DeFi is supposed to be decentralized. That's the whole point, right? But yeah, we have seen of late a lot of hacks, a lot of scams. So I do think it should be regulated to an extent, which kind of defeats the purpose. But if we don't regulate it, everyone's still going to get scammed left and right. And I don't know if you can do anything about the hacking, but yeah, we see here. They're saying it's not as decentralized as you think. We found that decentralized aspects tend to be elusive. I don't know what they're talking about. How is it elusive? So yeah, the banks are claiming DeFi is not really decentralized. I think that's a bunch of BS. It pretty much is, but I would agree that we kind of do need more regulation because the scamming and the hacking is getting a little out of control here. But, this is not good news for crypto, especially and not even and besides the scamming and the hacking, um well, I guess this falls under scamming, but the whole meme coin thing is getting way out of control. So I don't like. I don't think they don't like the whole Floki Inu and the Sheeb Elon coins and the Squid coins and whatever. That's a bit absurd. So but should they be regulated? I don't know. People know exactly what they're getting themselves into, for the most part. But yeah, this isn't good in general. Government wants to control your finances more. And in the beginning, crypto was supposed to be anonymous. Now it's really not. Government knows what you're in crypto for the most part, and DeFi is one way you can still stay anonymous, but maybe not in the future after this. Looks like not just the U.S. government, but many governments, many central banks wants a crackdown on DeFi now. But, interesting stuff here. Thought I should share with you guys. What's up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always. Okay. So yeah, that's all our news for today. Got through that pretty quickly. Got through the watch list and news here. Well, look at Low Roller's article. I don't know what this is, but let's open this up. Hamster skilled in crypto trading croaks of unknown causes. Damn. I think I've heard about this hamster. This guy might be famous. Is he on YouTube? I think it's famous. It's like I mean it's more like a meme. The hamster really it's totally random. Kind of like the octopus, during the FIFA World Cup. So, we'll just get another animal. But, yeah, that's sad. I think this hamster was pretty famous. Mr. Gox. Croaked unexpectedly due to unexplained causes. R.I.P. to the hamster. R.I.P. to Mr. Gox. Where's the, R.I.P. to Mr. Gox. Pour one out for him. He will be remembered. People want to make the most money buying Bitcoin and wouldn't get rich since it's too late for the average Joe. Meme coin is the only way to get rich like us. Yes and no. Like, yes, it's also a good way to lose everything. like that aunt who YOLO'd everything into Sheeb. So it's a double-edged sword there. But, people missed out on Bitcoin. It's still not too late. You still make a lot of money on Bitcoin. If you hold long term. But, if you catch one of these, you can catch one of these smaller cap coins, one of these altcoins, and you can get rich that way. The latest thing is these metaverse coins. A lot of people got rich on that. So, yeah, I agree. You're not going to make the most money on Bitcoin and Ether and all these other, Litecoin, whatever, all these other blue chip cryptos. But you can definitely get rich without buying meme coins. That's high risk, high reward there. And not really responsible investing. Let's put it that way. It's more like gambling. He gained 24% in a single day, beating the S&P and Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. All right, this is like kind of satire. Says he traded. Says he started trading in June after his owner constructed a trading office. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this thing was on. This hamster was on YouTube. I think I saw something about this. Yeah, R.I.P. to the hamster. He will be missed. Kind of reminds me though. This is unrelated, but I saw on ESPN yesterday. The horse that won the Kentucky Derby. I forgot what it was called. But it won the Kentucky Derby, I think, last year, and then it got banned, or it didn't get banned, but I think the trophy got revoked or something because the horse was taking steroids. The owner was giving it steroids, and then that horse randomly just also croaked out of nowhere yesterday. So RIP to that horse. I think it was called Medina Spirit or something. Damn. Owner really wants to win, giving the horse steroids. He probably saw that Bitcoin dip last weekend. Yeah, that would do it to a lot of people. But no, I think the hamster just it was his time. Natural causes, hopefully. Just put a few $100 on meme coin. I agree. Not your whole life savings though, but yeah, for sure. Why not? Dogecoin, Floki Inu, Shiba Inu, Christmas Floki X, all this. I'm telling you, Christmas Floki X, or whatever it's called, that's probably going to keep going up until Christmas, and then it's going to dump. But yeah, all these Mars, Space X, whatever. Why not? Roll the dice. Better than buying FDs. Bitcoin's going to 1 million one of these days. Eventually, yeah. Maybe, I don't know, 10 years or something. Maybe less, but in a couple of years, I would agree. Eventually, yes. And then we're going to have to transact in MBTC, micro Bitcoin. Litecoin is so cheap since it's under $200. I hope Litecoin go to 10K. Yeah, Litecoin's falling off. Because it really doesn't do anything different. I think it used to be better than Bitcoin because it was faster and stuff. But, you know, Bitcoin got upgraded, so there's really no purpose for Litecoin anymore. I remember a few of these cryptos that used to be really popular. Litecoin, Dash. Remember, I used to have a lot of Dash. I was about to get a Dash masternode. Good thing I didn't. Dash has fallen off a lot. Zcash. A lot of things I had. Those are like more blue chip, but I had like Waves and OMG and a bunch of other stuff. Quantum, those fell off too. And some things mooned, like Cardano. That came out of nowhere. Oh, OMI is my metaverse crypto play. Don't forget P Rocket. Oh, P Rocket. Right. I mean, I was like, what was P Rocket? Right, P Rocket. I forgot the other day, P Rocket. And Ikomai, I'm not sure if that one went up or down today, but a lot of those metaverse coins are down today. The only things that are down today, really, are the metaverse coins. So I'm not sure how that did, but hope you made money on that. Even if you didn't, everything is up today, you know, crypto and stocks. So Litecoin is getting accepted everywhere anyway. Yeah, Litecoin, the big ones are Bitcoin, Ether Classic, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Those are pretty much universally accepted. But same thing with Bitcoin Cash. Like, it used to be, well, this is opinion, but you know, a lot of people like Bitcoin Cash better than Bitcoin because it was faster and slower and less fees and stuff. But you know, nowadays Bitcoin is better. Bitcoin got upgraded, so there's really no reason for Litecoin, Ether Classic, and Bitcoin Cash anymore. But they're still accepted. I don't know why you'd buy it though. Almost had a heart attack when I saw green in both my accounts today. So either way, you get a heart attack, huh? When it's good or when it's mooning. But that's a good heart attack. Good heart attack. Yeah, congrats to everyone. Major attendees today. All right. So, yep, that's all the news for today, guys. So let's get on to, excuse me, the analysis now. It was a reverse heart attack. You had the good kind. I know what you mean. It's like unexpected happiness there. I've had those a few times. Remember one time I used to be in overstock and it went up like 60% in a day. I was like, holy crap. You buy it to make money, those old coins like Litecoin, ETC, and other. Yeah, but I don't really think they're going to go up higher than, they're not going to trade higher than Bitcoin or anything. It's going to, like, to me, you just might as well go with Bitcoin or Ether. Why even bother with Ether Classic, Litecoin? Back in the day, yeah, you know, there was an argument for it, but nowadays, not really. So honestly, I don't really want to do CFVI anymore because it went down so much, but it is number 2, so I guess we have to do it. And I wasn't going to do DWAC, but this went up a lot in the past hour. Today was a good day, Ice Cube. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I had the, before you came, Marvin, I was going to show the, on CNBC today, it was Peter Tuchman. So, I opened CNBC, and I saw him, and I'm like, oh, no wonder. But they took his picture off, but it's on Wall Street Bet, so we'll see it later. But, yeah. All hail the GOAT. You know it's going to be a good day when you see this guy. So, he was on CNBC today, so you already knew. I bought ETC last year, $5. It peaked $200, but it didn't sell. Tax issues. Are you still holding? Damn, sorry, dude. Well, what's it at? I forgot what's it at now, but that's how it goes, you know. I've held a lot of stuff. You know, that's when Diamond Hands. Well, you didn't hold because of Diamond Hands, but. Yeah, I've held plenty of stuff because Diamond Hands, you know, that it wasn't Diamond Hands back then. It was HODL. But yeah, you know, HODL and then you lose a bunch of money. So the consensus now is sell, not Diamond Hands, not HODL. But I feel you, dude. A lot of potential missed gains. It hurts a lot. He finally came to save us. Yeah. All these morons on Wall Street Bets posting pictures of him. You can't do that. You can't post a picture of the guy and expect it to moon. It has to be natural. So, yeah, he finally... haven't seen him in a while. Like a month or something. So, yeah, the GOAT finally came to save us. And hopefully he stays here. He actually had the C19. I already caught the C19. and he wasn't around for a while. I was hoping ETC reached $5,000. I don't know about that, dude. Maybe eventually. But, you know, the hell does people use ETC now for? I like ICP if I need to transfer cash in between exchanges. It is very fast and low fees. That's Internet Computer Coin. Or Internet. That's one of the new ones, I think. Yeah, I mean, a lot of coins are like that. But, you know, it really comes down to what businesses and institutions are going to accept as a legal tender. ICP people got wrecked when they bought it 700 bucks. Yeah, when it first came out, I remember that. It first came out, it was mooning, and then it just rugged. Typical stuff. Alright, guys, so, I guess we'll stick to AMC, CFVI, and BBIG. Because, I really don't want to talk about DWAC, even though we kind of should, because it went up a lot here. But we'll stick to AMC, CFVI, and BBIG. Do you guys want me to talk about DWAC? Yes or no in the chat. DWAC, yes or no? Should I talk about it, or we'll skip it today? What's up, Busy Bone? Appreciate you for being here, dude, as always. Legal Tendies. I mean, they pretty much have to be now, unless, you know, if you're still hiding stuff from the IRS, props to you. It's very hard now. Well, I'm glad he beat it. My Roth and trading account thanks him. Yeah, yeah, we need him to stay. Please stay, dude. ICP chart is nasty. Yeah, I haven't looked at it in a while, but I think it still hasn't recovered since it, ICO'd. Is that even a thing anymore, ICO? It used to be a scam, for the most part, ICO. Not really, but I do want you to talk about BBIG. Well, we're definitely going to do BBIG, third today. But yeah, guys, we're going to do AMC, CFVI, and BBIG. So, you know, nothing too interesting today, but these were, AMC was number 1, CFVI was number 2. I really don't want to talk about CFVI. We've been doing it all week. Last week. AMC, I really don't like talking about AMC, but it's always number 1. And BBIG is the only thing that, like, I legit want to talk about today. But, alright, let's do it, guys. So, I'll try to get this done as quick as possible, because nothing is, yeah, like I said, nothing too interesting here. There's no catalyst, no news, and, you know, same old stuff. So, let's try to get this over with as soon as possible. Alright, here's AMC. This finishes at $31.04 today. That is up 7.82%. So we've been covering this quite a bit lately. Last week, this did break out of this symmetrical triangle to the downside. Looked really nasty. You know, I was saying it could have went. I was saying it might go all the way back to 1650 to fill the gap. Looked like it was going into free fall. But the past few days here, this has been catching support. And we have a major day today, up almost 8%. So this does look like it is starting to bottom out. And hopefully it's going to reverse soon. And this stock especially got slammed because, you know, of the more than other stocks because of this new fears about this new variant, the Omicron. You know, you can't go to the movies if we're locked down. But now it appears like we're not going to get locked down. So, FUD is clearing up here. But yeah, there wasn't any specific news to justify this price action today. Everything is just booming today. And AMC was one of the stocks that did better compared to everything else on the stock market. So, nothing else to say. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Still questionable if it will or not. Yeah. Yes, for sure. Still pretty risky, but you know, the chart does look a lot better than it did a week ago. Last week it was really, really scary. Now it's, speculative. Last week it was like, oh, hell no. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 31.95 and 30.90. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 31.95, 33.65, catching some lag here. 34.80, 36.05, 37.60, 39, 40.20, 41.95, 43.25, 44.60, 46.15, 47.95, 49.55, 51.25, 52.40, 53.90, 55.15, 56.75, 58.05, 59.40, 61.10, 62.35, 65, 68.75, and then the high of 62.72. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 30.90, 28.95, 26.75, 24.35, 20.35, 17.30, 16.50, and then 14.05. And there is support below 14.05, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 31.04. The channels to the upside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action if this runs to the upside. However, to the downside, the channels are really wide up until 14.05. So expect significant price action if this continues to run to the downside until this hits 14.05. The RSI is currently at 37.5. So no longer in oversold, undervalued territory, but still pretty low there. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 48 million in volume today, which is below average. So that's a bit suspicious. Makes me think that this pump today was a fluke. This pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Forgot to mention before. So we do have this possible cup and handle in the making here. Looks like the top of the cup could be 38 or 42. And the bottom would be about 25.5. So that is a bullish indicator, because that means the stock could run back up to 38 or 42 to fill the cup there. We also have a gap up at 1650. So that would be a bearish indicator, because that means the stock may come back down to 1650 to fill that gap. Okay. I think 16 might still be in the cards for AMC, sadly. Yeah, it very well could be. It was looking like it was definitely going down there last week. Now, maybe not, but still very possible. I hope not, but yeah, very, very possible. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Last week, this was looking very, very bad. It was looking like it was going into free fall, and it looked like to me it was probably going to come back down to 1650 to fill the gap. But this week we are getting some very strong support, so hopefully this holds. 2675 appears to be very, very strong support. If it breaks 2675, this can go really bad. So we have bullish indicators in the possible cup and handle and the RSI. And as always, the strong social media sentiment. And no neutral indicators. And the only bearish indicator we have is this gap up at 1650. So it may not come back down to 1650, but it is very possible. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, $31 is not a bad entry at all. But it's really too early to be sure about this. Kind of looks like a bear flag too. Yeah, we also have a possible bear flag here. So that could be really bad. If it is in fact a bear flag, this could break out to the downside. Yeah, so as of right now, it's very hard to tell which way this is going to go. We're getting mixed signals here. Few bearish indicators, few bullish indicators. And we still have this. And we still have the big elephant in the room. The Omicron FUD. So honestly, in my opinion, I think the best play would be to hold off altogether right now. Don't go long or short. I would say if you're currently in the stock, just hold it. Maybe sell covered calls. But if you're not in the stock, I would say if you want to go long, hold off. See how the price action goes. If it runs to the downside, if you can get this at 1650, that'd be an excellent price. And if it goes to the upside, then unfortunately, you missed your chance, and that's okay. And if you want to go short, I would wait until at least 38 because that would be where a possible top of this cup is. So I don't like the entry at 31 going short, but I do like 38 and above. Either 38 or 42, I would say, would be a good entry going short. But yeah, as of this moment, this is just way too risky for my liking. Again, a lot of mixed signals. And really, really hard to tell where this is going to go in the short term. So I think the best play altogether is to avoid this. Just observe the price action, and once we get a better idea of how this is trading, then come in and make your move. But if you guys do want to take a position, long or short, I can support it. Just understand that would be straight up gambling right now. Because this really looks like it can break out either way. So taking any position here, long or short, would be a high risk, high reward play. Again, too risky for me. I don't really like it, but if you guys are about that life, then sure, go for it. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC. All right, next one, CFVI. Okay, here is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. This finishes at $13.12 today. That is up 3.31%. So we've been talking about this stock for the past few days now. And once again, it is trending. This was number 2 on StockTwits today after AMC. So we shall discuss it again. Let me draw some. Oops. Let me add a few more here. Cool. So earlier in the day, so there wasn't any news to justify this price action today. It appears like it's still squeezing. Just a bunch of ape action trying to squeeze this stock. It appears like the squeeze is not over just yet. So at one point in the morning, this hit $14.40 and has since pulled back very significantly. This was up over 10% earlier. Now it finishes up 3.3%. But hey, still a green day. Can't really complain. So I predicted yesterday this looked like it was likely that tomorrow, which is today. So I predicted yesterday that it was likely this stock was still going to continue to go up to the upside the following day, which is today, and it did. But really not much has changed. So it's going to be more or less the same. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap up at 980. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back down to 980 eventually to fill that gap. Yeah, that's about it. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1310, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1320, 14, 1435, 1455, and then the high of 1550. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1270, 1230, 1190, 1060, 1035, 1010, $10, 990, 980, 975, and then the low of 965. So right now at this current price, 1310, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 10.10, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 10.10. The RSI is currently at 98, so extremely overbought and extremely overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 28 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So, like I said, we've been discussing this stock for a couple days now, and really nothing has changed. So, my stance on this stock is still the same. I think the squeeze may not be over just yet, but it definitely is coming to an end here. It should be over within the next few trading days, I would say. Maybe it's already over. And it's likely going to pull back just as fast as it did going up. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, there still is more upside potential, but probably not too much, to be honest. So going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. I don't like it. Way too risky for my liking. You're probably going to end up holding some bags. But I could support it as long as you understand that you are gambling. So, if you guys can afford to lose some money, then sure, I can support going long here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty decent play to me. A lot of bearish indicators. High RSI, gap up. Big volume. So, like I said, this should pull back down to 980 to fill the gap. And from this current price, $13, that'd be what? That'd be like 30%. No, less than that. That'd be around a 25% downside, which is not the most tendies in the world, but still pretty decent tendies. And I would say it's a relatively safe play because this will have to pull back eventually pretty soon. So going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play, I would say. So as long as you're able to withstand a little bit more run to the upside, going short here appears to be a pretty decent play. Really the only thing bullish this stock has going for it is the strong social media sentiment, and that has to fade away eventually. And this might even go lower than 980. So I would say at minimum, you're going to make 25% minimum if you go short here. So yeah, we'll have to see where the stock goes in the next few days. Definitely could keep running to the upside, but in the short term here, this will most likely crash back down to 980 and lower. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but like I said, chart looks extremely bearish, and So, secure the gains. Don't get too greedy, guys. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CFVI, CF Acquisition Corp 6, or Rumble. Alright, so we're making some pretty good time here. It's been an hour and 10 minutes. And this is our last one here. So we might have a pretty short show, guys. So last one, BBIG, and then we're on to the Yolos. I don't think there was news here. No, there wasn't. Okay, here is BBIG Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $2.96 today. That is up 16.54%. So we haven't talked about this stock in a while now. This used to be really, really popular back when it squeezed all the way to $12.50. It has since pulled back very, very significantly. It went under 250 at one point, and it looked like it was going to keep pulling back. But today, we get some major price action. So I'm not convinced just yet that this is done pulling back, that it bottomed out. But this is a really good sign. Nope, just an oversold bounce here, no news. Yeah, I don't know why it bounced so hard today. Probably a lot of shorts covering, honestly. So no news to justify this price action today. It just seems like a lot of ape buying and a lot of shorts covering. This was trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So major momentum today by the apes. Okay, let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap up at 160 all the way back in January. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock may come back down to 160 eventually to fill that gap. And we have a lot of gap downs here. It looks like a quadruple gap down. Gap down at 950, 750, 585, and 375. So yeah, quadruple gap down. Those are all bullish indicators. That means this stock should eventually go back up to 375, 585, 750, and 950. May take a while before those gaps fill, but eventually they should. Anything else here? No, not really. Okay. All right, let's do the support and resistance here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel the rectangle of 315 and 295. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 315, 330, 350, 375, 405, 425, 460, 485, 515, 535, 555, 585, $6, 620, 650, 680, 705, 730, 765, 795, 815, 835, 870, 910, 940, 965, $10, 1040. Great, here comes the ambulance. All right, 1105, 1190, and then the high of 1250. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support. Damn, actually, I should have said, right now this is sitting on the support. Well, yeah. So actually, right now this is sitting on the support of 295, which it finished at today. So, and if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 265, 250, 225, 195, 175, 160, 135, and then the low of 120. So right now at this current price, 295, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 36, so no longer in oversold, undervalued territory, but still pretty low RSI, so could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And this did 41 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. And this is selling off here in the aftermarket down to 285. So that's a bearish indicator because that tells us tomorrow this is also likely to sell off. Okay, guys. So this one kind of looks like AMC right now. Pretty hard to tell where this is going to go in the short term. We have some mixed signals here. There's definitely more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. Again, we have the quadruple gap down and low RSI. So those are bullish indicators, but we do have a bearish indicator in the gap up at 160. And up until today, this did look pretty nasty. The chart did look pretty nasty. It did look like it was going to keep bleeding for a while here. So again, I'm not totally convinced that this is the bottom just yet. This may be a dead cat bounce. So you're saying my options on this still have a chance? Well, there's always a chance, dude. Hey, you should post on Wall Street Bets. We were doing so good here with the sirens. Then in the past, like 5 minutes, we get like 3 of them. 1 second, guys. Gonna mute. All right, my apologies. So as of right now, it's very unclear where this is going to go in the short term. Long term, this does look like a good buy. Again, this should run back up to 950 eventually. It may take years, but eventually it should get there. Oh, I missed this. Yeah, this looks like a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup being 910 and bottom of the cup being 250. So that would be a bullish indicator, because that means this stock may run back up to 910 to complete this cup here. So yeah, long term it does look like a pretty good play. But short term, this may keep pulling back. Maybe to 160 to fill the gap and lower. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, 295 is a pretty good entry. Like I said, eventually it should go back up to 950. So that's over a 200% upside. Again, may take years to get there. Hopefully not. But if you're in it for the long term, 295 is definitely a pretty good price. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. You can also wait to see if you can get a better price at 160 or lower, but it may never get back there. So waiting for a better price isn't exactly the best play. Yeah, I would support going long at this price, 295. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. But if you're looking to swing trade the stock, I would definitely avoid this. Don't go long if you're looking to swing trade. Only go long if you're willing to hold this long term. Swing trading this stock right now is way too risky. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. This may come back down to 160, and that would be about a 40% downside. So there is a good amount of downside potential, but I just think it's way too risky, because this could moon at any time. This could squeeze and moon at any time, and you're going to be in some really, really big trouble if you get caught in a short squeeze here. That's never fun. So, while there is a lot of downside potential, I don't think the risk is worth the reward here. Going short would be a high risk, high reward play. So it could pay off, but way too risky for my liking. If you guys understand going short here is a straight up gamble, then I guess I can support that. But again, just way too risky for my liking. So I wouldn't do it. If you are going to go short, please cover at 160. This is not one you want to hold for that long on the short side. I'm definitely going to add a little bit to this Roth first thing next year. You know, it'd be funny if it's like, by the time in a month, it goes back up to like, I don't know, $5 or something. If it moons before you add again. I don't think it's likely, but it's definitely a good long-term hold. I don't know if you're in it for the long-term, Marvin. This could be another MMAT, dude. Hopefully not. But it shares a lot of the same characteristics as MMAT with the whole special dividend thing. But hey, good luck to you, man. Alright. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG Vinco Ventures. All right, guys. So, yeah, we're done with the TA. Did pretty good on time there. But, yeah, that was some pretty boring stuff. Didn't really want to talk about any of these stocks, but they were trending today. Really not too much going on. So, hey. So we're over that. On to the fun part. On to the Yolos. So give me a second. Let me pull it up. Yeah, we should get done here by 6 o'clock. All right, guys. So this is loading right now. I'm gonna step away real quick for like 30 seconds while this loads. I need to grab some water. Pretty thirsty right now. So sorry about that. My apologies. But I'll be right back. All right, my apologies. Let's do it, guys. It's actually still loading, but I guess we can get started. All right. So today, nothing too serious. Should be pretty fun. Got a meme here, and then we got a few YOLOs. A lot of different YOLOs. SPY, DocuSign, Coop, HQY. So yeah, a lot of these YOLOs are. Sorry about the sirens, guys. That's pretty loud. Yeah, a lot of these YOLOs are about stocks I don't even know about. I've never heard of these stocks before, but some insane gains here and losses. So yeah, let's do it, guys. I'm not suspect any short movement until dividend time. I'm definitely interested in Cryptide. Yo, when was the dividend? Did they announce that yet? Oh, what happened? I don't know why I just went back. Okay. Got a long call for next January. Peasy. As in like 2022 or 2023. Could pay off pretty big. Good luck to you guys. Alright. So let's do it, guys. So we got our meme here. All right, lagging a little bit. That's all right. He is back. Year-end rally is official. Rocket emojis. Who knows when they're going to get their act together and actually drop the dividend? That's what I'm saying. Like, is there a date yet, or it's just indefinitely? January 2022. That's not too far away. Probably like a month and a half. So I hope that works out, dude. What's your strike, if you don't mind me asking? But yeah, guys, it's our favorite. It's the GOAT. Our favorite meme. It's Peter Tuchman. He's back. Damn right. So yeah, we haven't seen this guy in a while. About a month or something. And yep, he's back. NASDAQ up 3%. Dow Jones up like 1.5%. S&P up 2%. So, all hail the GOAT. Let's go. Where's my meme? Yeah! Alright, good stuff, good stuff. Alright, on to the Yolos. The one and only. The one and only GOAT, Peter Tuchman. Damn right. I love that guy. And besides from being a meme, he actually seems like a pretty good dude. Like a pretty cool guy. Just to have a beer with or something. I really don't know, but seems like a good guy. Alright. This one is by Printing Bands. They say, from down over 95% to this. 1.5K to 35K in 2 weeks. I had about 20K invested in Tesla, AMD, PayPal, and Square, calls expiring Friday. So, we got 6 slides here, but we're just going to look at the first 2 of his graphs. Let me open these up. Alright, so we see here, this is pretty insane. He's up 33.5K in the past month, which is 2,230%. But yeah, if we look at this graph, this is the all-time graph. So look at this. Literally, so we started with 20K, bleed, flat line, almost at 0. So we said 1.5K, right? Then out of nowhere, bam! So, yeah, guys, don't do this. Don't do this. This is typical Wall Street bet stuff. Literally, he just got extremely lucky at the end here. This should have went to 0. Should have went straight up. Like, he was literally on his last lifeline right there. Looking very grim. And, he hit the lottery here. So, went from being down to nothing to 245% in 2 weeks. Absolutely nuts. So, yeah, guys, don't do this in the first place. Don't get yourself in a position where you have to, like, do one last YOLO. But this is great content. Great content. I love it. Kind of seems like a gambling problem to me. So, I don't encourage any of this, guys. This is straight up retarded. But it makes great content. So, Printing Bands, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. I'm really, really happy for you. And really great content. Salute to you. And yeah, dude, at this point, I suggest not YOLOing anymore. Maybe just, be a little smart, buy shares. I don't know, ETFs, SPY, something like that. I don't know, kind of seems like you have a gambling problem, dude. So, you got really, really lucky, let's be honest. That was not supposed to happen. And somehow, you're up 250%. So, all I'm going to say is, don't chuck it back. Be very grateful you made your money back and a lot more. And don't mess it up this time. Use common sense investing. Stop YOLOing. Stop buying FDs. But this is Wall Street Bets. It wouldn't be... So I totally expect them to do it again. But the smart thing to do would be not to YOLO anymore. And, take it easy from now on. But yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Great content. And good luck to you. Read some comments here. I really need to learn this stuff, man. No, you don't. No, you don't. Learn how to be down 95% and hold for a mega reversal just before expiry. Not sure if that can be taught. So it says he was actually down 100% and his account hit $0. And then he deposited 1K and chucked it again and somehow he hit the lottery. Insane. PZ, December 22nd, 450 strike. So you need 50% in a couple weeks here. In 2 weeks, I don't know, man. Not looking too great, but I hope that works out for you. I hope it wasn't too much, Hope you didn't throw too much money at that. That's pretty nasty, but good luck to you, man. He flatlined until somebody hit him with the defibrillator. Yeah, clear. 250%. Insane. Why can't this stuff happen to me? This is nuts. This is not Finland, it's FD land. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where we all belong. Not me personally, but my fellow apes here. I'm not that much of an ape. I'm an ape, but not a crayon-eating ape like these guys. Yeah, kids, learn from this. You don't want to be down 95% on 10K. Yeah, incredible. Incredible. Lesson, lose 100K. Listen, lose 100%, immediately gamble another 100%. All right, good stuff. All right, next one. This one is by Dr. Dark Piccolo. He's a tag here, so I guess he's somewhat of a legend. AMC, 13K to 850K to $1,000, cause diamond hands. Wow, if that's true, this guy is a straight up legend. So he almost made $1 million on AMC, and then he held it all the way back down to 1,000. So that's not even the post. But he earned that tag. So what a legend! What a legend! So yeah, this guy definitely deserves to be here. What an ape. Crayon-eating ape. Alright. So he says, 13K SPY puts end of the week. Rainbow Bear. Alright. And this was posted 1 day ago. Before, SPY moved 2% today. So, what do we got here? Super FDs. Super FDs. Got a bunch of SPY puts expiring this Friday, December 10th. 445, 450, and... Alright. My bad, guys. I got disconnected for a second there. I think we're good now. Let me double check, just to be sure. Okay, I think we're good. But, yeah, someone tell me in the chat if we're good, just to make sure. Alright, where was I? Yeah, okay. Yeah, Super FD, SPY Yolos here. And yeah, this was made 1 day ago. So yeah, SPY went up 2% today. What's SPY at? $469. Okay. So yeah, this ain't looking great. So we got 3 days to go. It could still work. I mean, went up 10 points today. Yeah, this ain't looking great. It could still work, but it really ain't looking great. So, yeah. Jay Powell said, F your puts. Keep printing. So, I'm not sure how much this is worth now. But he probably got wrecked today. And, yeah, at this point, I probably would just cut it. Not sure what the cost basis is or what this is currently worth, but 3 days to go, and he needs like 25 points to the downside here. Yeah, really not looking great. So yeah, I think the best move here is to just cut this. First of all, guys, just don't do this in the first place. This is absurd. This is retarded. But hey, he belongs here. Especially if he really did hold AMC from 850K down to 1,000. Definitely belongs here. Did not learn his lesson. Gotta hit the sell button. Well, here, he didn't even make any money, but... yeah, don't do this, guys. Don't make these super FD YOLOs, unless you can afford to lose the money. So yeah, Dr. Dark Piccolo, thanks for posting. Great content. You are a legend, sir. And, it looks like you got wrecked today. I don't know how bad, but seems to be pretty bad. So, I think you should cut at this point. Save yourself a little bit of money. But, you know, this is Wall Street Bets. You are a legend. And I fully expect you to hold this through expiration and just lose 36K. But, you know, much appreciated in the name of content. So yeah, dude. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Although I'm already sure I already know how this goes. Read some comments here. In for the bloodbath. Godspeed. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Artard. Have you seen who's manning the printer? Good luck. Yeah. Our friend Jay Powell here. Good stuff. Alright, low roller, got you, dude. I hope he sold before he got wrecked. I doubt it. I think he picked these up thinking that, you know, the market would continue to sell off, and instead it goes nuts today. But yeah, what a legend. Great stuff. All right, this one is by Senior Titus. They say, am I doing this right? Oh boy. So let's check it out. We got Alibaba calls here. There's one. And here's two. Okay. So here we got 100 calls for Alibaba. 185 strike. Expiring December 23rd. So, about 2 weeks here. So this was a 27.5K YOLO. And right now it's down 26.4K. Down 96%. Oh wait, it's not over yet. So we got another 100 calls. Pretty much the same thing, except 175 strike. So in total, 200 calls. And here, this was a 12.5K YOLO. And right now it's down 11.2K, down 90%. So in total, that's how much? 11.5 and 27.5, 28. So 39K. He's in for 39K, and he's down to his last 2K here. 2.5K, 2.4K. So am I doing this right? Absolutely, absolutely. You belong here, sir. What's Alibaba at? It's definitely not going there, I'll tell you that. It's like at what, 120? 125. So, yeah, for this to work, he needs Jesus. Ain't no way. Ain't no damn way. In 2 weeks, this goes to 175, 185. Ain't no way. So, yeah, this one's pretty obvious, pretty straightforward. Gotta cut, dude. Gotta cut. Still got 2.4K. That's a lot of money. And if you don't cut it, it's going to zero. Like, almost guaranteed. So, yeah, am I doing this right? Absolutely, dude. You belong here. And the plays themselves, they were pretty bad. This was totally deserved. You know, I think it said he bought these like last week or like 2 weeks ago. So it was like a one month. So the strikes are really bad, way out of the money. Expiration pretty bad, 1 month out, and timing pretty bad. All around pretty bad. Terrible play. So am I doing this right? Absolutely. So yeah, Sir Titus, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss, dude. But you know, appreciate it. In the name of content, appreciate you. And yeah, pretty terrible play all around. So let's be honest, you kind of deserve this. Don't do this, guys. And at this point, there's only really one play to do, and that is to cut it. Save yourself 2.4K. Or you can just let it ride and lose it. So yeah. Thanks for posting, dude. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you. Please post updates. Need some super extra lube? Hell yeah. Got the noose here. The rope. All right, let's move on here. See, we stepped on the drug addict side of Wall Street bets because you had to be on some type of narcotic to think this would work. Yeah, I know, right? Like it doesn't even make sense. Like, okay, maybe if the strikes were closer or the expiration was longer, but he literally wanted Alibaba to go up 50% in a month. What the hell? What the? It's not a meme stock. Imagine he hit it. Some people do occasionally hit. That would have been crazy, but yeah, damn, there ain't no way. All right, next one by G Kemp. They say DocuSign gains $62,000, $62K. So this was from last week. Remember when the whole DocuSign thing happened? So this one's a late post, but still pretty impressive. So we'll do it. So yeah, 11 puts for DocuSign. 195 strike, 230 strike, and probably some more we can't see here. But yeah, this was a 6K YOLO, and he finished up about $63,000, $63K, 1,000%, 1,010%. So Marvin, same thing applies here. He had to be on some type of narcotic to think that this would work. And it did. Occasionally, it does work. Like this. The problem is, you see these things on Wall Street Bets, and you think, oh, I can do that too. And then everyone does it. And this is not typical at all. Maybe 1 out of every 1,000 people actually hit this type of stuff. But yeah. Insane play here. Crazy strikes. Super FDs, December 3rd. And somehow, it worked. So yeah, we've seen a bunch of these last week, but this is one of the bigger gains here, 63K. Very impressive. So, yeah, don't do this, guys. This literally had like a 1% chance of working, according to Delta, and somehow it did. So that's how you turn 6K into 63K in a couple of days there. Literally in one day. 1,000% in one day. Insane. Don't do this, guys. But yeah, it's already over. So, congrats, dude. G Kemp, thanks for posting. Great content. You are some type of retarded, dude. But congrats to you. Happy for your gains. And may I suggest, being smart with your money at this point. Don't re-YOLO it. Don't re-chuck it. Because if you do, you're probably going to lose. So somehow this worked. And at this point, just be safe with it. That's all I'll say. So, great content. Congrats to you, man. No, he smoked the right type of narcotic, so good for him. Well, I've done a ton of that, and I've never hit something like this. All right, guys, 2 more. So these stocks, I really don't know what these are. But these are some crazy YOLOs here. So this one is by Cashback Pal. They say Coop update. COUP update. From 15K yesterday to negative 33K today. I am sick of this shiz. Sick of what? Being a crayon eating ape? Being an artard? Damn, dude. So, yeah, here we got Coop puts. I'm not sure how many, but they expire December 10th, this Friday. 3 days. $130 strike and $165 strike. Let's check it out. $169. Nice. Okay. So, yeah, 15K yesterday. So, yeah, first of all, don't do this, guys. Again, FD Yolos, don't do this. And if you do FD Yolos, if you're up 15K, if you're up that much money, you should probably hit the sell button. Please hit the sell button, guys. When it comes to Yolos, any type of options, really, gotta hit the sell button. Don't let it expire during expiration. 80% of options expire worthless, so you gotta hit the sell button. But yeah. So, he's down. Yep, 33K. Down 33K. So, yeah, it's at 169. The 130 puts are definitely screwed. The 165 puts, that has a chance, but probably screwed there too. So yeah, at this point, either cut it, or I guess you definitely cut the 130 puts. I mean, that's not much money there anyway. Probably like $200. That's still something. And for the 165 puts, I think he still has like $2,000 there. This looks like a 5K YOLO, and this one looks like a 30K YOLO. So, I mean, I would cut it, but I guess you can make the argument to let it ride. There's still a chance. You telling me there's still a chance? Yeah, there's still a chance. Pretty decent chance. But, yeah, either way, he's screwed. So, at this point, this is about saving face. I would just cut it here. Save yourself $2,000. But yeah, dude. Nasty stuff. But yeah. So Cashback Pal, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. But, you know, in the name of content. Great stuff. And yeah, dude. This play is pretty absurd, to be honest. And somehow it worked yesterday. And your mistake was not hitting the sell button. Next time you gotta hit the sell button. This is what happens when you play YOLO FDs. So you're sick of this. You're sick of what? You're sick of yourself being hard? Yeah, dude. Don't do this next time. So sorry for your loss, and good luck to you. Please post updates. If he's really sick and tired of this stuff, all he has to do is tune in here every day at the market close. Yeah, that'd be nice. If he's really sick of it, he can not be an ape, not be a crayon eating ape, and he could, you know, do common sense investing. SPY, ETFs, shares, leaps even, but not FD YOLOs. So totally his own fault. You're a gambling addict, dude. You're going to keep blowing your account up like this? Rainbow Bear, lol. Looks like the Bogandovs and Vlad pulled a coup on your account. Oh, yeah. There's the, where's my... I haven't used this meme in a while. He sold. Pump it. And there goes his whole account. Alright, one more, and then I guess we got one more after that from Low Roller. Two more, okay. And if you guys have any charts or anything you want me to look at, put them in the chat right now. We're almost done with the Yolos here. All right, by Ykilu 2009. Definitely reviewed this guy before. HQY, December 17th, $50 puts plus 200K. Okay. So here we got 180 calls for HQY. I have no idea what that is. 180 puts, my bad. 180 puts. Expiring December 17th at the $50 strike. So super FDs here. This was a 22K YOLO. Yeah, 22K YOLO. And he's up 215K. 1,086%. Impressive. Yeah, again, don't do this, guys. This is absurd. But, yeah, he put 22K on an FD here. HQY. I have no idea what HQY is. Health equity? I think this was trending on StockTwits last week. I remember this. Actually, now I do remember this. Don't know much about it, though. So, I don't know what happened here. Was it an earnings play or something happened? I think it was earnings. Seems like it. Don't really care. But yeah. Down 24.6% today. So, got really, really lucky. I guess there was some skill involved here, and a lot of luck. But yeah, crazy stuff. So this is not typical, guys, but like I said, occasionally, some people do win. So, honestly, the strike is not that bad. Expiration is pretty bad, though, and this was well timed. So overall, pretty bad play, but with some skill and some luck, fat tendies here. And at this point, it's at what, 42? 43? So there should be no reason why this finishes out of the money. But there's still a week and a half to go here. So, personally, I would just cut it right here. Just to be safe. There's absolutely no reason why to hold this for any longer. Crazy things have happened. So, up 1,100%, up 215K. Just cut it, dude. Just cut it. There's no reason to hold this. But yeah, very well done. Very well done. So, Ykilu 2009. Thanks for posting. Again, definitely seen you around here before. And yeah, dude. Crazy play. Very unlikely this would have happened, but it did. And hey, you cashed out some really fat tendies here. So congrats to you. Enjoy your tendies, dude. So yeah, good luck to you. I'd cut it here. No reason to hold, but no matter what you do, please post updates. Good luck to you, dude. How are you getting ahead of the big movements? He straight up said it's gambling more than anything else. Alright, so let's open up some Yolos here. 17-year-old YOLO, 100% of life savings into leaps. 17 years old? Can you even have a brokerage account, dude? Pretty sure you're not allowed to have a brokerage account. Like, you have to be under guardianship. What if your dad saw you? What if your parents saw you doing this shit? Whoops. That one slipped there. But yeah, by Hyelix. So we got Fubo, ASO, Snap, Disney, Taiwan Semi, and what's DKS? I don't even know. So, I'll give him that. He did leaps. They're not FD YOLOs. They're leaps. So that's a positive, I guess. But, yeah, there's a lot going on here. So, yeah, these are all leaps, so they got a while to go. But by the looks of this, it's not going too well as of right now. A lot of red here. Mostly everything is in the red. Taiwan Semi's already down about 100%. And Disney is... So the only thing greens is Disney plus, which is up 0.31%. And then Taiwan Semi 0.45%. Everything else is in the red here. Not by much, but this one's pretty bad. Minus 100. Dad deleted son after YOLOs. Yeah. That was supposed to be your college fund. That's supposed to be your college fund, kid. There goes the college fund. DKS is Dick's Sporting Goods? Alright. Alright, yeah, Dick's Sporting. So 15K YOLO. Good luck to this guy. Wall Street bets are getting them young now. Yeah. Not really a good thing. Not really a good thing. But, so it remains to be seen what happens here. But, hey, good luck to him. At least they're not FD YOLOs. You know, they're leaps YOLOs. So, a little bit better. Not great, but a little bit better. And he is pretty diversified. I give him that. So, this isn't a super crayon eating ape play. Just a regular ape play. Pretty impressed, though, you know. 17-year-old knowing what leaps are. Not bad. But, yeah. Still pretty dumb. Still pretty dumb. So, we'll see what happens. Good luck to this guy. Yeah, everyone's like, I had 20 bucks to my name at that age. How's a 17-year-old get 15K in life savings? You have to. I was lucky to have money for gas at 17. Then again, I am retarded. How does a 17-year-old get that money? Daddy's money, that's how. Alright, quick 4K docu baby gains, 40-minute play. So yeah, here's an FD YOLO. So here's a good example of how you should play FDs. I'm not saying you guys should play FDs, but if you do play FDs, this is what you got to do. Hit the sell button. So yeah, 40-minute play, hit the sell button. And he cashed out 34% up, 4K. Not bad, not bad. DocuSign puts, wow. It's still going down? It is still going down. Amazing. So yeah, this one is short and sweet here. So yeah, again, I don't recommend you guys play YOLOs, FD YOLOs, but if you do, hit the sell button when you're up. Great example here. All right, one more. I'm only 19 and I love the casino. Uh-oh. That's not good. This is how you develop a gambling addiction. But at least here, he's up a lot of money. So at least it's working right now. So this was New Zealand dollars. I don't know what this is in like regular dollars, but he's up a bunch of New Zealand dollars here. Doesn't even say for what. Oh, it does. USA. I think that's a meme stock. Forgot what USA is. And then Tesla and Meta. So, not sure when these expire. But all I'll say is, hit the sell button, dude. We just saw. When you're up on options like this, hit the sell button while you're up. If you don't, it's probably going to zero. So, I don't know. Beginner's luck. Oh, it's SPY. Oh, USA SPY. I get it. Okay. Or XPX, not SPY. SPX. So yeah. You know, I'm not sure if this is beginner's luck or what. But you know, Wall Street Bets, yeah, getting them young now. Developing gambling addictions young now. So yeah, at this point, hit the sell button, dude. Hit it before you lose it. That's all I'll say. But congrats to you, man. Casino is 21 and up. Not all of them. All right, good stuff, good stuff. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So, yeah. So, all in all, that was an okay show. You know, really wasn't too much to talk about today in the stock market. TA was pretty boring. No news or anything. But, those were some pretty good Yolos. So, a good way to end the show. Yeah, I did say an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're going 2 hours, 15 minutes here. So, yeah, like I always say, whenever I say we're going to end at a certain time, it always goes like half an hour longer. But thank you guys. You know, it's because you guys come in and you chat. So, yeah, a lot of people in here today. So, thank you to everyone who came. Appreciate everyone, especially sticking through today. You know, today was, well, the stock market was great. You know, big gains, but in terms of content, you know, really too much wasn't really going on. Just everything was moving today. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Anything before we get out of here? Any more charts, questions, comments, concerns? You can play VA skill game 18-year-old. Yeah, I used to live in Syracuse, and the casino up there, Turning Stone, was 18. I used to go there in college. But the casinos around here, you know, Atlantic City, Pennsylvania, they're like 21. So, depends where you live. Maybe it's because I was on Native American land in Syracuse. I'm not sure. Great show and great market today. Glad you enjoyed, dude. Yeah. The show was it was pretty good, but in terms of the content, you know, it was pretty boring. So glad you enjoyed, dude. All right. So I don't think anyone else has anything. Casino should be 18 years old. It is in some places. It is internationally. When I went on the cruise, it was 18. And some casinos are 18, But again, I'm not sure if that's because you're on like Native American lands and they can make whatever rules they want, or it goes by state or what. But yeah, you have a casino right here, stock market. You can be any age. All right, so I don't think anyone else has anything for me. So with that, let's get out of here. The Knicks and the Nets are playing tonight. Nice. All right. Cool. So yeah, once again, thank you to everyone. Good show today. Thank you to all the regulars, and thank you to everyone who stayed to the very end. You guys are the real MVPs. Appreciate it. All right. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Let college students go broke in casino. That's exactly what they did. When I was in Syracuse, that was like the only casino around, or a good one at least, and yeah, everyone just went there. A lot of college kids, so. But I play poker. You know, I don't play table games. That's a good way to go broke. Play poker. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.